Okay, now in this video I am going to solve this quadratic equation again with the help of quadratic formula. Okay, first I need to compare, because we need to, in quadratic formula we need the value of ABC. So to get the value of ABC I need to compare this equation with the standard form. So I am going to write the standard form, that is standard form ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Over here you can see before the x square or in front of x square you can't see any number. If there is not any number, it means 1. Okay, now I'm going to compare. Here before x square is 1, here before x square is a, so a value is 1. Here before x is negative 4 and here before x is b, so the b value is going to be negative 4. Okay, the constant which is free from the variable, here you can't see the variable x, so this part is called constant. Here constant value is 4 and here constant is c, so c value is going to be 4. Okay, so a is 1, b is negative 4 and c is equals to 4. Okay, now I need to write down the quadratic formula and we need to plug in these value in the quadratic formula to get the value of x. Okay, negative, what is the v value? V value is also negative, so I need to write inside the bracket, because negative times negative will become positive. Okay, now negative 4 square, negative 4, a is 1, c is 4. Okay, now upon 2, a value is 1. Okay, negative times negative is positive 4, plus minus negative 4 square means negative 4 multiplied negative 4. Negative times negative will become positive, and 4 times 4 is, what is, 16. So here this is going to be 16. Okay, now 16, 4 times 1, 4, and then 4 times 4 is 16 upon 2. Okay, 4 plus minus 16 times 16 is 0 upon 2. Okay, this is part 0, the square root 0 is 0. Okay, so this ultimately is going to be 4 plus minus 0 upon 2. Okay, now I need to one time with positive sign upon 2, so 4 plus 0 is 4 upon 2 is equals to 2. Okay, second time 4 times 0, 4 minus 0 upon 2, 4 minus 0 means 4 upon 2 is equals to 2. So here x value is going to be 2 and 2, x equals to 2. Twicely you are getting the same values. Okay, I'll do it over here because that is getting a bit confusing over there, because the space is not there. X equals to, we got plus minus 0 upon 2. Now I need to divide in 2, because one time with positive and one time with negative sign. So x equals to 4 plus 0 upon 2. 4 plus 0 means 4 upon 2, and that is going to be 2, so x value is 2. The second time I'll solve it out. X equals to, by taking negative sign, upon 2, so 4 minus 0 is 4 upon 2, that is also going to be 2. So x equals to 2 and x equals to 2. So here how you will write the solution set? Solution set x is equals to 2 comma 2. Okay, 2 comma 2, x value is repeated time 2, so I not need to write repeated time 2. If you are writing repeated time 2, that is also okay. If you are writing single time, that is also okay, because here is a quadratic equation. Our equation is second degree equation, so 2 values of the x you will be getting, but over here the answer is 2 same values are coming, x equals to 2 and 2. So this is called repeated roots. In the previous question we got 2 different value, but here we are getting the same values. So this is repeated value, but x2 values are there. Thank you.